Hi, everyone. My name is Greg Benner. I'm a Las Vegas residential realtor with Keller Williams Realty here in Las Vegas, and I'm also a certified probate expert. I specialize in probate real estate. Thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out my videos. It means a lot to me. If you're going through probate here in Clark County, Nevada, you most likely have a lot of questions about the process and what you should expect. Well, that's where I come in. In this video, I will review 7 must-know questions and answers associated with probate here in Clark County, Nevada. Now let's get started. Here are the must-know answers to 7 common questions every family traversing the probate process should know. What is probate? Probate is the court-monitored process of proving the validity of a will, transferring property, and settling the affairs of a deceased's estate. If there is no will, a similar process known as administration is used to settle the deceased's affairs. Sounds simple, eh? Next, when should a probate be opened? As soon as practical, following the person's passing. In Nevada, if the total value of a deceased person's assets exceeds $20,000, or if real estate is involved, probate or administration will be required. There is normally no reason to delay starting the process. Nevada law requires a person in possession of a deceased person's will to deliver it to the clerk of the district court within 30 days of the death. Next, if probate is not required, how do I inherit a deceased person's assets? If there are no real estate holdings and the value of the estate does not exceed $20,000, certain surviving family members, as well as a person entitled to inherit from the estate, may initiate proceedings 40 days after the death. Now, without any court proceedings, these parties may use a form called Affidavit of Entitlement, permitting the release of the assets from any person or business entity holding those assets. Examples would be investment firms, banks, or pension plan administrators. Next, what if the estate is valued at more than $20,000? Well, if the deceased's assets exceed $20,000, or if real estate is part of the estate, probate or administration must be used. However, if the value of the deceased person's assets subject to probate does not exceed $100,000, exclusive of liens, a special petition to the court filed by the beneficiary or heirs may allow the estate to be set aside and distribution made without further court proceedings. The petitioner will receive a court order directing the distribution of estate assets. Next, what if the estate is valued at more than $100,000? Well, if the deceased's estate has a net value exceeding $100,000, but not more than $200,000, the estate must proceed through probate via summary administration. Now, summary administration provides for a somewhat simplified procedure. If the estate has a net value exceeding $200,000, the estate must proceed through the process via general administration, where the procedure is somewhat more extensive. The executor or administrator will receive a document called letters testamentary or letters of administration. This document will be issued by order of the court and outline executor or the administrator's authority and their responsibilities. Next, can I become the executor or administrator of an estate if I do not live in Nevada? Well, Nevada does not impose restrictions on residency of an executor named in a will, but does require a non-resident administrator where there is no will to associate with a Nevada resident as a co-administrator for the estate. And finally, how long does probate or an administration usually take? In a routine probate proceeding, you can expect a minimum period of 120 to 180 days. This allows for publication of creditor notices and gives those creditors time to file claims against the estate. But probate and estate administration often take much longer if complications arise. So folks, there you have it. Those are 7 questions and 7 answers that are must know for any family traversing through probate here in Clark County, Nevada. Now, I am a certified probate expert. I work with Keller Realty, Las Vegas, and I am more than happy to answer questions as they arise. I am more than happy to help you arrange for service providers who can help out with the house, get it ready for sale, things such as estate sales, painters, flooring companies, whatever it takes to help you get through the probate process. And all the way up, I can refer to financial planners and attorneys and anything in between. We real estate professionals do have a significant referral system, and I am happy to work with you and see that you have the people that you need to make this work best for you and your family. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your time, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, feel free to let me know. If you need assistance, hey, I'm right here. It's what I do every day. We love to help people. Text, call, email, just reach out. Thank you so very much. I hope you have a great day. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye now.